So generally, who are the people who's going to benefit from having more insights of how foreign currency exchange is going to impact our business or our day-to-day operations?
Okay, like I was saying, this course was started, and the course is called Foreign Exchange Risk Management. Was started like since 1987, which is like 32 years ago.
Wow.
And the people that attended this course since then, there were thousands of them, and they include bank officers, those who are in credit, those who are in the backroom operations, those who are in marketing, even those training dealers, right? And then the second group are the accountants, working in SMEs who need to do foreign exchange deals on a regular basis to cover their receivables or their payables. And many of them, in the past, when they did not know about foreign exchange, they lost money because by the time they covered their positions, the market has moved against them. Right? So, to give an example, we had a friend who has an SME who received US dollars, about $500,000, $1 million a year or $2 million a year, and he found that his profits of about $200,000 to $300,000 got down by half because of the exchange losses that he incurred.
Wow.
Because the US dollar went down against the Sing dollars, so he lost. And then we have another friend, I wouldn't say a friend, maybe a friend who asked me to be a consultant in his company. He was buying chemicals from Japan, and they lost money because the Japanese yen strengthened against the Sing dollar. So they lost quite a chunk of money. So when I went in, I fixed it, risk for them, and now they're okay. So those are two. And then you have the investors, and then you have the traders. Investors, traders want to know the market because they want to know what moves the market. Be it fundamentals or be it technicals, like charting. Charting, I'm very sure most of you know what is charting. And I'm sure some of you use charting in your own trading. But I'm coming more from a economic point of view, which means mine is more fundamentally based.
Right.
So if you are looking for a medium-term trade, a bit longer term than a normal day-to-day trade, you have come to the right place to learn. Because my trades are mostly, it will not last day to day. It will last like days or weeks, but the profits are tremendous. So those are the major groups that will benefit most from the course.
Okay, sounds really exciting, especially is that we can, as investors or as businessmen, we know what moves the market. I think that's important since it's going to impact on our profit and loss as well. Yeah. So I believe, wow, that's very much value add other than going to money changer to exchange our dollars when we want to go holiday.